I think this day's been too long. Can we kick it now? So can we roll? Can we smoke? I think I just need it.
Good morning guys, welcome back to Like a Boost. So just meeting up with a few of the guys. Shutter Speed has organized their second ever event and so far so good. This is only the second event and there is some insane cars here.
Hey everyone, just going to have a quick briefing about the cruise. Just want to say thank you guys so much for coming along. It's our second cruise and such an amazing turnout. Like from all the cars we had at Byron Bay to this, big difference. We couldn't have done it without you guys. We're going to start off by going to the View Cafe and then after that we're going to go to a Rotary Lookout. It's a really good view off the hill, mountain. Really good drive up there as well.
After that, for anyone who wants to come down, we're going on the highway to Gold Coast, out the highway and then down to Robina, but that's optional. That's not part of the official cruise, so that's only if you guys want to. And then yeah, if we could just try to stay spaced out because that up there is a bit gravelly, might spit a few rocks, so yeah, might want to stay a bit spaced out up there. And then also if you guys have any radios, we'll go on channel 6. That's all good. Thank you guys.
Thank you. Got the engine started.
Alrighty mate, so we're back here T with your second event. It's pretty hard to believe that this is the second event because these cars are insane, man. So just tell us a bit more about the event, what the plans are.
This one, we're up in Gold Coast at a dam up here. This is a SuperCars cruise. So we had so much interest from other cars, we just had to cut it off and just say SuperCars only. As you can see, we've got 765 back here in the Aventador. So pretty solid turnout, yeah. Compared to last meet in Byron, yeah, it's pretty insane cars. I think we have 11 supercars today, so yeah, pretty insane turnout.
What an insane lineup we've got here. So just about to get going for the main part of the cruise here. Not in focus, but that's alright. You actually rather want to see them anyway. our way to the next spot, and gotta say, this is just so surreal. It is so crazy to have GT2 RS, McLaren 750S, me in RS3, yuck compared to these, but Corvette behind us, an Aventador behind that, another McLaren 765. This is this is insane. Alright, I wouldn't mind. You need a louder exhaust, mate.
Don't tell him that, bro.
Under the tunnel, surely let's hear it a bit. Honestly, what a insane day. Crazy turnout of cars. Feels pretty surreal, actually. Like, those are a few of my dream cars, and it was just so awesome to be able to see those cars in person, meet the owners, all of which were so cool, so chilled, just really nice people. A lot of the time, supercar owners get a bit of a bad rap, but honestly, it's the furthest thing from true. These guys were all so awesome, willing to bring their cars along, and they love it. They love it just as much as we do. So yeah, thank you so much to them for coming out. And thanks again, Shutter Speed, Tarakai, Harry, Cooper. You guys you're killing it. I can't believe that you guys are able to organize things like this. It just takes a lot of courage, and it takes a lot of effort to put together things like today. So yeah, for the second event, you guys have done an amazing job. So very well done. Absolutely awesome day, and looking forward to the next one. Catch you guys in the next video. Peace out.